EU fishing to passenger and Ro-Ro Italian social security to Embark 1438. We have this AB 3,000 euros net and then Italian social security. So if you are on board the fishing ship, a flag of convenience, or far away from home, you want to be close to your home and you want to have this beautiful, say in Italy, piano piano va lontano, slow slow go long. So if you have a family or plan to have a family, or in the future you plan to have a pension, or you want to have 2 years employed, 2 years unemployment, study yourself how this Italian legislation is nowadays. You can do that in social media. And also you have after 2 years employed directly by the ship owner, so you don't have to pay the private pension and the sanitary assistance. This is the 4 competitive advantages if you are sailing far away, and also flag of convenience, but here you will be sailing close to your home in the Mediterranean waters. This is huge ships. If you have experience on board the Ro-Ro or passenger ships, go back to merchant fleet. Christmas present for you, if you wish, if you like, because after 2 years you're employed directly and you have all these huge competitive advantages that fishing doesn't. And fishing will go down, down, down because there's no more fish and the ships are more intelligent. So then we need to think about adapt to the new labor market, and this possibility is a huge Italian ship owner, a family company. Candina is 5 generations, so we want you this Christmas to be a member of our family. If you are now on board the ship in Terranova or in Argentina or whatever, and you are European, only for European fishing with experience on board the passenger or Ro-Ros. If you are a junior officer, at least 3 contracts. And why is it 3,300, the junior officer wages 3,400 and the AB 3,000? Because if you are a junior officer, you need to learn Italian manuals, and this is very important that you slowly, piano piano, pa lontano in this company, that you have huge possibility. If you are a woman and you feel on board this small fishing ship that you need a Ro-Ro of 37,000 tons, and RoPax of 67,000 tons, 25 crew in the first one and 150 in the second one, including the catering. Equality is one of the biggest competitive advantages of Italy. Italy is the #1 country that started with equality, so also is social governance, social security. And so please think very serious about this change, because it is a possibility today. And we are looking for about 200 European ABs and about 300 European junior officers that you can really have a career. And these are very modern ships, state-of-the-art, huge ships, Mediterranean trading and the long term. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year to all of you. Safe seas. Bye.